Big T, this is for you.
Lincoln on the track.
It's Dollar Dog Night, and I ate about a dozen. It's Dollar Dog Night, and it's hot like my oven. Cause every time the Guardians score a run, I grab me a glizzy. Ate too many now, and I'm feeling sorta dizzy. Cause it's Dollar Dog Night, I'm feeling really clear. Don't want nothing but my dog and a beer. I got my glizzy in my left and my Coors in my right. Baseball going on all under the lights. $1 for a dog, that's all you need. Cause when your team scores, it's cheers and screams. Cause God made it all when he made baseball. And God did it right when he made Dog Night. Team made a home run, and it makes me wanna holler. Did I mention the dogs were only just $1? Grab a little mustard and Dollar Dog Night, I'm feeling really clear. Don't want nothing but my dog and a beer. I got my glizzy in my left and my Coors in my right. Baseball going on all under the lights. $1 for a dog, that's all you need. Cause when your team scores, it's cheers and screams. Cause God made it all when he made baseball. And God did it right when he made Dog Night. 911, what's your emergency?
My friend passed out after eating 12 dogs at Dollar Dog Night.
12 dogs at Dollar Dog Night? What was he thinking?
I'll tell you what he was thinking.
Dollar Dog Night, I'm feeling really clear. Don't want nothing but my dog and a beer. I got my glizzy in my left and my Coors in my right. Baseball going on all under the lights. $1 for a dog, that's all you need. Cause when your team scores, it's cheers and screams. Cause God made it all when he made baseball. And God did it right when he made Dog Night. Dollar is all you need for Washington to make you free. Eat the glizzies. We're here today to line them up. Wait, 12 dogs on Dollar Dog Night. May he rest in peace and live his legend go on. The Dog Master.